Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Use the given figure and given is rhombus MATH. What is measure of MY? Now in order to find MY we need to understand that since this is a rhombus, diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. Since they bisect each other, that means that AY equal to YH and My equal to Yt. So that means we can equate 3k to 15 and thus we get value of k as 5. Now we can use this value in next part. My is 4j minus 3k equal to 2j plus k. We simply put value of k here as 5. So 3 into 5 is 15 equal to 2j plus 5. So we get 4j minus 2j is 2j and 5 plus 15 is 20. So we get value of j as 10. Now in order to find length of my, we simply put value of j and k in this expression. So 4 into 10 minus 3 into 5. So that is equal to 40 minus 15, which is equal to 25 units. So we can say that length of my is 25 units. Answer is 25 units.